So my talk today was about developing tools for the incursion response of any sort of pest, insect, or pathogen. These tools are to be used once a pest has been identified crossing our borders. And the key here is that we need tools that allow for quickliness, so timeliness, so reduce the amount of time it takes to eliminate that pest population. Having tools ready to eradicate that population, and having our social protocols, communications ready in order to do the PR that's needed in order to do an eradication response. So to that end, my program was about 3 areas of study. The first is developing technology in the area of surveillance. So developing means to quickly find that pest population and eliminate where it is. The second area is targeted aerial spray tools, so developing tools that spray pesticides in a very localized area rather than in a broadcast area. And the third area is social communication for the agencies that may be doing the eradication response. The MPI, the agency that New Zealand is primarily responsible for eradication of a species, can respond faster, get to that species faster, have less of a PR need because they're using targeted tools, so very small space tools, and they can find that population faster, and then therefore they can eliminate that pest. And the threat of that pest is gone, which of course is helpful for the forestry industry, so they do not have to worry about that pest. Now the reason why it's helpful is because if the pest were to come in and establish itself, now we have a market access problem. That means other countries may not want our product, or they may want our product if it's undergoing all sorts of different treatments, so it could be very costly. So we really do not want that sort of market access problem, so that is why it's very important for the forest industry. The MPI has all the available tools that they can to quickly eradicate a pest.